Oh boy, here I go killing again.
Good Monday morning, everybody. So it's not the Monday, but you know, that alliterates. Today it's just been some university lessons and I'm still kind of freaking out a little bit because I don't know what I'm doing for my big project for the next 5 weeks yet. But you know what, that's not cosplay related, so I'll show you what I am doing on this Monday, which is getting prepared for Tuesday's stream by printing off some Evil Ted Smith patterns, because we are going to barrel ahead with our Krombopulous Michael build, because you know what, if I'm going to freak out about something, I may as well do something easy when I get home. Anyway, for want of boring you too much and moaning that I still haven't got my new phone yet, I will carry on and see you Tuesday for a Krombopulous Michael stream. Woo! Yeah, see you then.
Yeah, sorry.
What from O'Connell?
Hmm?
Is that O'Connell, is it?
Yeah, yeah.
Buildings? Yeah. Need it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, looks a
Excellent.
change.
Nice.
There you go. Press it. Oh, and that's up there.
Yeah, excellent. Thank you. Okay. Let's try this again. Let's actually try this again. So, we are Wednesday, so it is quite a time from our last attempt to have our mobile phone. But here we go.
So windy, not woeful, not wonderful, but kind of, oh wait, are we here? Maybe a little bit down? Yeah. So it's Wednesday and it is a better day than it's been for the last couple of days. Not that they've been bad days, but we have our new mobile phone and I know what I'm doing for my university project, which is kind of cool, right? So I've now, like that's a big weight off my mind, which for what it's worth means that I now know, I can now prepare and plan and proceed. Annoyingly, there's not a day that begins with P, so I can't alliterate with that. So anyway, cosplay wise, we are, where is it? I have a bag full of parts for Vectra's assault rifle, which is going to be for tomorrow. And we are trying to get these molds dried for assembling our first Krombopulous Michael on Sunday, so we can paint it and do all that sort of fun. Lots of work left to do on Krombopulous Michael, but it's still coming together pretty quick. It's kind of cool. Either way, oh! Actually, you know what? Cosplay related. This Friday, although last Friday for you guys, some of my content will be featured on the Riot Games YouTube account. Well, the Summoners Showcase. It is an official Riot YouTube account and their Facebook page and such, and so they should be like linking to my stuff and using some clips from my things in their videos about content creators. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Also, in addition to that, YouTube sent us all out emails. Nope, we'll talk about that later. So for now, I'm gonna do some personal work and then, I don't know, I'll see you tomorrow. I haven't been really feeling the whole vlogging thing this week. It's a bit weird. Maybe I'll make up for it by streaming more. Who knows? See you guys later.
Sometimes when it's raining, I fall on my knees. Allow me to taste the passing breeze.
Ba-da-da-da! That's a real good size for me. Pew 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 pew. This is so cool! Anyway!
Yep, so Sunday. It has been a successful Sunday, and that's an alliteration I use a fair bit because we have gotten this guy painted. He's been molded, painted, cast, come out fine. These are all squidgy. It's still a little bit wet, so we're not going to put it on for you now. And we've also made progress on like the hands and blah blah blah, but we've just finished our stream for Sunday, and you know what, it has been a bare bones week because university is picking up again, and I don't know where a lot of my enthusiasm has gone, but I've also been like really worried and trying to sort out YouTube stuff, which seems ironic. I've been too distracted from doing this YouTube video by YouTube stuff because YouTube are changing how their partnership works, and we are 6% over the course of an entire year, 6% behind. And I believe it's possible for us to make that up in a month. So over the next couple of weeks, expect to see a lot of little content because I don't have great viewer retention rates. So I'm going to try and do some shorter videos. Yeah. So expect to see a lot of that. As for this week in review, yeah, so I have progressed at university. I'm about a week and a half behind, but that's fine. I work faster than most people there because I have a lot more experience, which isn't as big-headed as it sounds. We did a lot of Krombopulous with Michael. We got possibly my favourite prop ever put together. We had a big boon on our Facebook channel from thanks to Riot. Shout out to Swim Bananas for contacting us and featuring some of our content there because they linked on their Facebook page to directly to this YouTube channel. So hello to new subscribers. Either way, shorter vlog, I think, and next week will be a bit more populated, and hopefully I will actually, next week I will do my level best to have a dry run test of Krombopulous Michael. Although I need to get some shoes for him. That's the problem at the moment because we're doing these big fancy clory things for him. But what I want to do as well is I want to do some digitigrade boots like these for him, where we raise it up, take the heel off, and so we can have the claws and the claw thing. So he's got the like insectoid feet. Unfortunately, I can't find any for my price range at the moment, so I'm just going to keep a lookout. The chances are we're not going to get that bit finished next week, although I might just use these, but these are supposed to be for Kindred. So swings and roundabouts, we'll see how it goes. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me this week. Hopefully you will help out with our YouTube problem, but if not, that's okay. I will almost certainly talk about it at the beginning of the next vlog rather than at the end of this one. So thank you and goodbye. See you all next week. Have a good week.